Hey, my name is Finguy and welcome to Finguyfilms. We're again here outside with a beach thingy and yeah, we're gonna do a Pokemon opening here. We're gonna be opening another one of these what was this called? 2-pack Blister. Anyway, so there's Roaring Skies and Crimson Invasion and those nice promo cards, as well as the coin I always forgot to show you. But yeah, it's like very cold outside. It's like 6 degrees Celsius or something. And there's a plane going. Okay. Anyway, so hopefully the camera has focused on me and yeah, I'll see you in the opening. Bye. So welcome to the actual opening. Let me put my gloves there and we'll get started. So again, I was going to make the face cam, but I brought my other camera here, but no joke, the battery says that you need to charge it, although I looked at it, that what did it say? It had like 40 minutes or something battery life. But now when I'm here, I mean, why would everything go as planned? By the way, this opened up quite nicely actually. So we have the Roaring Skies pack right here. I hope it's not too dark, since the sun is shining like, let me show you. Look at this. It's shining quite bright, like a diamond. Yeah. Anyway, so we have the Roaring Skies pack, and then we have this Crimson Invasion pack, and then we have the promo cards, which are always in a very bad shape. Well, not always, but okay, there's the Alolan Jack Trio. Well, it's not so bad, I think. Let me put all of these promos here, and there's a code card for you also for this particular blister. And then we have bird noises from behind, and then we have Alolan Muck, and as our last promo we have the Alolan Golem. And then we actually do have the coin I always almost forgot to, yeah, show. Anyway, so we're gonna start with the Crimson Invasion booster pack. So I don't even remember what chase cards are there in this set, but let's hope we get something anyway. So okay, there's the code card. I hate that they're like they put the code cards in like different ways to different packs, so you can't really fire. Okay, you can really know which way they are in the back. Anyway, Dashing Pouch, we have Haunter, we got Lucamine, Shellos, Corphish, Minchino, we got Magikarp, Execute, we have Lyron, and as our rare, we have Miss Magius, Miss Magius, non-holographic. Alright, well, nothing special from that pack, but we still have the Jewel Roaring Skies. I really do like this set. If I haven't said it, okay, I have said it like probably multiple times. But anyway, I mean, was it like Gardevoir full art I pulled from this set? And I mean, that card is that card is something else. I mean, that card is, I really like that card. So there is the code card for you. And then this is XY, so it's only 3 cards and no energy. So yeah, what do we have? We have Pelipper, we got Firo, Mega Turbo, okay. I mean, I'll take a Mega Turbo. We have Bagon, we got Electrike, we got Tailo, Execute, we have Fletchling, we have Voltorb Reverse, and as our rare, we have a Salamence holographic. I mean, yeah, I'll definitely take that. It's a cool Salamence. Very cool Salamence. I must leave that up. There. So the Salamence is basically our pull of the video, and of course we have all the promos as I just didn't drop that on the sand. It's you didn't see that. Anyway, so that was the video. Let me know if you want more of these nature openings. Let me know if you want Evolving Skies opened in nature. And yeah, if you haven't checked out the last Evolving Skies opening, it was something else. You will enjoy me reacting to the pull we got. And yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button or dislike button if you didn't like this. And tell me in the comment section, would you like this kind of content in the future? And yeah, I guess this was it. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.